Hey everyone, Alorama's Pro Auto Care, and this is another Pro Knows moment. Preventive maintenance on a vehicle. Fluid is one of those items. We see cars come in so many times, people don't service their fluid. I've got Master Technician Alex Morales with me. Alex, you see cars come in, you see the condition of the fluids, you make the recommendation. Why do you recommend people to change their fluid and do it as a regular preventive maintenance?
Well, it's really important to keep the fluids in good condition because those are kind of like the lifeblood of each component. Engine oil, if you don't maintain it, you could have excessive internal engine wear. It could lead to oil leaks, all costly repairs.
Sure. So do you see cars come in that haven't had fluid change where components failed prematurely?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you probably see them differentials?
That could happen on differentials, transmissions, engines. It can pretty much happen on any component that has a fluid in it.
Right. So vehicles have coolant. People sometimes drive, they don't even know when the last time they changed the coolant. Is that something they need to service?
Absolutely. Coolant becomes corrosive, starts eating away at rubber, hoses, seals. You just end up with problems that you didn't need to have.
Right. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is an item braking on a car. Fluid affects braking, is that correct?
Yep. The brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, so even if it doesn't look dirty, it can still need to be changed. That's why a lot of manufacturers and Pro Auto Care recommends doing it a certain time and mileage intervals.
Right.
Very important, and also because that's the only link between your foot and your brakes. It's
right.
The brake fluid.
That's it.
Very important to change it.
So there you have it. These are things that you do to extend the life of your car, but probably even bigger, to not have costly breakdowns. Be proactive, do the preventive maintenance, extend the life of your car.